Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on iPhone. So guys, there are many ways to recover your deleted messages. So the first method is recover from your iCloud. So you have to just go to the setting, then you have to click on your profile. And after that, below here, you can see that if you have made your messages on the iCloud, if it is turned on, then you can recover your messages from your iCloud. So basically guys, you have to turn off the toggle, then turn it on right now, and after that you will see that all the deleted messages will be back in your messages mobile application, right? And guys, this worked perfectly for me. And the second option is guys, you can just reset your phone, and while you backup. So basically when we reset the phone and we just reboot the phone, and after that we can use the backup. I cannot show you over my phone because I cannot delete all the everything, and I just cannot reboot each and everything, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.